Hello. Now we'll be seeing about scripts and Vim editor. Okay, scripts is going to be a very small part. Okay, wherein you will try to automate certain stuff, and the sky is the limit for what script you could write. Okay, you are only limited by your imagination. Then going on with the next one is Vim editor. Okay, we need little bit of Vim editor before we start scripting. So here we go for the Vim editor. Okay, we with the help of Vim editor, Vim is nothing but visually improved, VI improved. Okay, editor. We can edit files with the help of Vim editor, and there are totally 3 modes in Vim. One is insert mode, the other one is command mode, and the third one is execute mode. Okay, the command mode, the insert mode is achieved by pressing on the key I. Okay, command mode, you can reach command mode with the help of double escape key, and execute mode with a single escape key. Okay, in command mode you can copy and paste, in execute mode you can save, quit, and save and quit. In next syntax, the syntax for this is vim space -r file name. You may or may not give this -r, but it's always better to give -r because it aids in recovery of the file if should there be a power failure. Okay, so let's go in for scripting. Perfect. Oops. Q. Okay, I just want a clean slate before starting up any exercise. So let's start with scripting. So for that we are going to type vim -r script. Okay, hit on enter. As soon as we hit on enter, okay, so just remove the -r, hit on enter. So we then hit on letter. Right now we are in the execute mode. We need to type letter I so that it becomes insert mode over here. Okay, before that it was like this. Now when I hit on I, it becomes like this. Okay, I am going to pwd. Okay, tell what is my current directory. Then I want to list certain files. Okay, before that I could type in echo your current directory is, okay, then echo your files in the directory given above are. Okay, then I can touch a file via script. Remember, these are all the commands which should be given one by one on the command line. Since we are creating a script, we are going to combine them all. Hit on escape once, hit on colon WQ, hit on enter. Okay, hit LL. You'll be seeing the script file is there, but I'll not be able to execute because the execute bit is not set. Okay, let us set the execute bit. chmod change mode for user, add execute permission scripts, hit on enter. LL command, you found that the script became executable because it has changed color to green, and as well as you can see the execute bit over here. /script is how we are going to run this particular stuff. Hit on enter. Okay, so that it's telling that your current directory is home bala, and your files your files in the directory given above are these things. Okay, now it would have in addition created a particular file called file via script as well. Okay, so that previously this file was not present over here, but now it's created because we executed the script. Perfect. Now let us go with Vim editing. Okay, so in Vim we can cut, copy or delete. Okay, you need to forget this particular line, because instead of typing I, we need to hit on escape key twice. Okay, this is one error which I found out. I did not notice it while I was creating the PPTs and PDFs. Okay, let's go in for cutting. So let us vim the script file. Okay, now let me teach you about cutting. So I'm going to cut the first 2 lines. So if I have to cut 2 lines, I have to hit number 2 and hit C twice. Okay, for this to work, I have to press escape key twice first. Okay, I need to be in the command mode for cut, copy and paste to work. So to go into command mode, first type escape key twice. I have done that right now. Okay, now I'm going to cut 2 lines, so I have to press 2 followed by 2 C's for cutting. Done. 2 lines are cutted. Come down. Okay, see, I have already gone into insert mode, so I need to come back to my command mode once again. Hit escape key twice. Okay, hit on letter P, so that those 2 lines are pasted. Okay, now I'm going to copy these 2 lines. Okay, let me copy 3 lines from here. Okay, for that I need to be in command mode. Hit on escape key twice, hit on 3 and hit on YY twice. So you could see here 3 lines are yanked. So for copy over here we call it as yank, and we just hit on the letter P. So all the 3 lines are pasted. Perfect, right? So the next one is to delete. Okay, how about deleting these 3 lines? I need to hit on 3 and DD. Okay, 3 lines are gone. Okay, if I have to save it, I'll type escape colon WQ, hit on enter. This will save the file. Okay, if I hit escape colon W and hit on enter, this will write the file, but it will not close it. It will still keep it open for me to edit it. If I am going to put escape colon Q exclamation mark and hit on enter, it will quit the file without saving my changes. I have done the same. Okay, perfect. So that is done. Now going into seeing the Vim lines. Okay, this is perfect stuff. Okay, let me hit on clear Vim scripts. Okay, if I have to see the line numbers over here, what I'm going to do is hit on escape key once, colon set. Okay, nu is the command which you need to type. Hit on enter. Okay, so now you can see the line numbers associated with each and every line. If you want these line numbers to disappear, you need to hit on escape colon set. You have to append NONU, no NU, no numbers. Okay, hit on enter. All the line numbers just disappear. Then if you want to see previous characters, previous set of stuff which you entered, you have to put escape colon then up arrow. Okay, this is similar to history command. You can hit up arrow as well as down arrow. Okay, perfect. Now to replace certain words, okay, go into command mode and type this. Okay, I'll tell you about this one. Say let me say if I want to change all the characters with the letter E in this particular file to the number 3. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put colon %s. Okay, that is for searching. Separate it with a /. The character which I am supposed to find is E. Then the character with which I am going to replace it with is letter 3, number 3. Then /. G is for global. What this global does is that if I did not put the G, it will change just this E and leave out this E and this E alone. So global is wherever it appears globally. Hit on enter. Now you could see that everything is changed to 3. Okay, so if I have to revert this back, just hit small letter U, it will change back. Okay, if I have to revert it back, put Ctrl Shift and R, which is capital R, it will turn back. Perfect. So that one is done. Now we'll see about splitting the screen. Okay, so for splitting the screen I have to hit escape colon split, hit on enter. So you saw that there are two screens right now. One screen is on top. If I have to go to the screen which is over here, I have to hit Control WW so that I come down. Okay, so say if you want to split this one vertically, you have to hit escape colon B split, vertically split. Okay, it is not enough if you just sit and see my video. You have to try it side by side. Probably you watch this video once, then open up your terminal and pause my video every now and then and start typing in there so that you get to know this. Control WW will get me to the next screen. Control WW will get me back. Okay, hit on escape colon, type Q exclamation, escape colon Q exclamation, escape colon Q exclamation. Okay, I am out of that one. Perfect. Now if you want to go to a specific line, press colon and press 35 or 5 or whatever line you want to go to. Okay, let me do that. Vim scripts. Okay, say if I want to go to the third line, okay, what I'm going to do is 3. What a big deal, right? But it is actually a big deal if your if your file lines contain around like 1000 or 10,000 lines of code or configuration files, and you know that you have to reach line number 900 because you scroll through it all along to find that particular page. But it's also easy to find that particular stuff because there is a particular command like escape colon / say if I have to find some file called as say I have to find above, okay, ABOVE, hit on enter so that it went to that particular line. So I can find it like this and then remember the line name and reach there. Okay, so the next command is going to be perfect. Say if I have to go to the last line, I'll hit Control Shift and capital G. Where's that? Okay, Shift and capital G. Sorry, it's not Control Shift, it's just capital G, right? So Shift and capital G and 2 small G's for going to the first line. So that then Vim tutor, yeah, hit on escape colon Q exclamation Vim tutor. So if you feel that you need something more, obviously you will need something more because what I have taught you is very little. What will be using the most, but you can always find more stuffs in here. Okay, and you can also Google for it to find out more stuffs than this. Okay, so for escaping from this, hit on escape Q exclamation. Perfect. So that is done. So that completes our Vim tutorial and scripting tutorial. Thanks a lot for viewing this video. Bye bye.